Hello, I am Susan. Today I will talk three terms that are closely related with our private lives. First, the website, and second, system development life cycle, and finally, electronic commerce. First, a website. A website is a collection of web pages such as the one you are looking at now. A web page is what you see on the screen when you type in a web address or click on a link. A web page can contain any type of information and it can include text, color, graphic, animation, and sound. When someone gives you their web address, it generally takes you to their website's homepage, which should introduce you to what that site offers in terms of information or other services. From the homepage, you can click on links to reach the other sections of the site. A website can consist of one page or of tens of thousands of pages, depending on what the site owner is trying to accomplish. Why do people visit websites? Generally, for two reasons. One, to find information they need. This could be anything from a student looking for pictures of frogs for a school project, to finding the latest articles, to getting the address of the nearest restaurant. And second, to complete a task. Visitors may want to buy the latest bestseller, download a software program, or participate in an online discussion about favorable hobby. The main thing to remember in creating a website is that you are not creating the website for you. You already know what the information or service you have to offer. You are creating the site for your visitors, or so it should contain the content they want, and be organized in a way that makes sense even to an outsider. Second, I want to talk about system development lifecycle. The system development lifecycle process applies to information system development projects, ensuring that all functional and user requirements and agency strategic goals and objects are met. The SDLC provides a structured and standardized process for all phases of any system development effort. And phases of the software development lifecycle. SDLC starts with the analysis and definition phases, where the purpose of software or system should be determined. The goals of what it needs to accomplish need to be established, and the definite requirements can be developed. During the software construction or development stage, the actual engineering and writing of the application is done. The software is designed and produced, while attempting to accomplish all of the requirements that were set forth within the previous stage. Next, testing phase. Code produced during the construction should be tested using static and dynamic analysis, as well as manual penetration testing to ensure that the application is not easily exploitable to hackers, which could result in a critical security breach. The advantage of using VeriCode during this stage is that by using state-of-the-art binary analysis, the security posture of applications can be verified without requiring the use of any additional hardware, software, or personnel. Once the software is deemed secure enough for use, it can be implemented in a beta environment to test the real-world usability, and then pushed for release where it entered the maintenance phase. The maintenance stage allows the application to be adjusted to organizational and utilization changes. Finally, I want to talk about what is electronic commerce. Conducting business online, selling goods in the traditional sense is possible to do electronically because of central software programs that run the main functions of an e-commerce website, including product display, online ordering, and inventory management. The software resides on a commerce server and works in conjunction with online payment system to process payments. Since these servers and data lines make up the backbone of the internet, in a broad sense, e-commerce means doing business over interconnected networks. The definition of e-commerce including business activities that are business to business, business to consumer, extended enterprise computing, d-commerce, and m-commerce. E-commerce is a major factor in the U.S. economy because it assists companies with many levels of current business transactions, as well as creating new online business opportunities that are global in nature. Here are a few examples of e-commerce: accepting credit cards for commercial online sales, generating online advertising revenue, and trading stock in an online brokerage account. In 2012, e-commerce sales topped 1 trillion for the first time in history. Mobile devices are playing in increasing role in the mix of e-commerce. Some estimates show that purchases made on mobile devices will make up to 25% of the market by 2017. According to Cisco Visual Networking Index in 2014, the amount of mobile devices will outnumber the number of world population. And today I have talked about three terms: website, system development lifecycle, and electronic commerce. I hope you understand them now. Thank you for watching.